In this video, I'll be showing you that how you can easily upload high quality or HD quality videos on Facebook. So make sure to watch the video till end. You can follow the exact same steps even if you're on an iPhone, Android or iPad maybe. So first of all, open up the Facebook app on your phone. Now you'd have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on settings and privacy and then tap on settings. And now once you are in the settings of your Facebook account, you would have to scroll down all the way, then tap on media. Now first we would do settings in the Facebook app. So first of all, you would have to tap on optimized so that your data saver is turned off, and your Facebook app could use data that is required to upload high quality videos. Then tap on when using mobile data and Wi-Fi in autoplay section. Now after this, hop out of the Facebook app and go to settings of your iPhone or Android. Now scroll down on and tap on camera. Now you would have to tap on record videos on the top. Now it may be selected to a lower resolution, so I recommend you to select at least 4K 30 fps so you would be able to capture videos in high quality and later upload them on Facebook. So this way you can upload high quality videos on Facebook without any hassle. So if this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.